Calisthenics Workout Complex, back with another one. I want to appreciate everybody that come through every single day and supporting us here at Calisthenics Workout Complex. It means a lot. You come here for the knowledge, you come here to support, or you're here for the bout versus the day. I don't know why you're here, but I appreciate everybody always coming through and liking and subscribing. It really does mean a lot to me in a real big way. We got another quick tutorial for you and a good workout. Today we got the parallettes over here. We got the dips and we got the burpees today, but not only just regular burpees. We're gonna do Navy SEAL burpees for you today. I get a lot of questions, I get a lot of views, and I get a lot of engagement when I'm teaching these burpees. Some people like them, some people don't. That's not what I care about on this channel. I care about what I like to do and God wants me to do. So you'll get a little work in, not too long. Y'all on a live stream, y'all catching this live. We do these live workouts every week, almost every day, on the YouTube channel, Calisthenics Workout Complex. We do them live stream, cut them up. So I give you little bits and pieces if you're catching on a short or a reel or a Facebook reel. I don't know what you're catching up on, but they're always live stream. That's how we do over here. Salute to everybody coming through in a big way. If you're watching it live, hit that like button for me. It pushes through the algorithm. All right, we're gonna start off first with the burpees. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do burpees. I mean, not burpees, we're gonna do dips. We're gonna start off with the dips. Now with the dip, I want you to be able to figure out what you wanna work on when you're doing the dip. Now the dip is a compound movement. Yes, it is. Compound movement, meaning that you're working various muscles. You're working multiple muscles at once. So you're mainly working on your triceps, your front delts, and your chest. Some people say the lower, but you're all working, if you're doing properly, the lower, the mid, and the top. But if you want to be able to pinpoint a little bit more than the other, it all depends on what variation that you're doing. Now today I'm gonna switch between both. We're gonna do tricep dips and we're gonna do lower chest dips. We're gonna do both, okay? It's gonna be fun. One quick second, let me make sure I move this to the side. Salute to everybody coming through, man. Make sure you saying what's up. Let me put this to the side. Oh, hold on. Work with me, y'all. All right. Y'all look better. Salute louder. Colby, what's up? All right, so I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna do both. So we're gonna do at least 5 to 7 with the tricep one, and then we're gonna do 5 to 7 with the mainly lower chest one. So I'm gonna do both so I can show you guys which one. So on the tricep one, the tricep dip, I want you to stay as straight up as possible. You're looking forward. You're trying your best to look straight forward. Chest is up high. You're looking forward. And you're having a past posture, everything is standing upright. What that's gonna allow you to do is release that tension so much on your chest, and it's gonna hit more of that tricep, okay? So you're gonna hit some of the chest. There's no way around it. It's a compound movement. You're gonna hit some chest. But our whole point is trying to put more leverage and more intensity on the tricep, okay? So I'm all the way up, straight forward. As I'm coming down, we're staying straight up the whole time. So I'm here, all the way up, pushing straight up. To the point, once you go down as much as you can, I'd say like 90 degrees when you come to your elbows. So if I'm like, not straight on, if your elbows come to like right here, make sure that 90 right here, you wanna roll with that, or get to a point where that bar is coming and is meeting where your shoulder is. Come all the way down as much as you can, okay? If you can't do that, it's cool. Everybody starts somewhere. You gotta work to where you wanna get to. Makes sense? And I want you to come all the way straight up so you can squeeze that tricep at the end. So I'm here straight up, looking straight up, and squeeze. Squeeze all the way up. Here, so you can squeeze that tricep all the way at the end. You're gonna get more of that tricep also. What you're gonna try to do is keep your elbows as close to your body as possible. The closer you have your elbows to it, the more you hit them triceps, okay? Get 5 to 7 of those. After that, once you be able to come down, chill for about maybe at the most like 3 to 5 seconds. Back up. Now we're gonna do the chest one. The chest tricep, very similar. But this time, instead of standing straight up, I want you to lean forward just a little bit. What I was gonna do is more emphasis on your chest. Same way you're doing a push-up. You're coming straight down, you're pushing more with your chest, the same exact way. And you don't have to worry about your elbows coming too close to your body. You can flare them just a little bit, almost like you've been in the gym, cable flies. If I hear the same way your elbows are a little bit, I want you the same exact way, because like boom, you're squeezing your chest. It's the same exact movement, okay?